Light blue.
If you found your finger are still wet, we can't just put it to dip the powder. So you can rub the wet fingers at the back of your other hand, and then it will become dry. So we are going to start coloring the sky first, and we will use light blue. So the step of coloring is you will use the fingertip to dip some light blue color. And then we will do it in a circular motion.
Light blue.
Apply it to the paper and then you move your fingers in a circular way, and then the powder will be colored.
Sa sky, no?
Okay, so you can try now to see if you can handle this.
Ay, ang cute. Ganito pa. Ay, ganito. Pwede pa rin pastel ganito, no?
So when you found like, okay, the color become paler and paler, which means your fingers, there's no
Sa ano
more
lang, dito
powders,
pa lang.
and you can dip it again.
Sa, dito lang, hindi lahat.
Ay, lahat eh. Hindi lahat.
Ay, lahat ba?
Sky
Lahat.
naman.
Sky nga eh.
Oh, sorry. Ito kasi doon sa kanya. Wala na. Tinanggalan ako ng...
Direct na sa paper, ate.
Paper na ba?
Dito na.
Ay, oo. Tanga lang.
Dito na.
Ay, dito na pala.
Buti wala ka pang live pack na. Kaya nga.
Team gutom talaga.
Uy, gutom. Ito pala, so man.
Naubos na yung blue niya. Ang liit ng papel niya, ate pa.
Pinaalis nga yun eh, di ba?
Ganito pala.
Pumasa na ako ngayon, baklat.
Ako na naman lang.
Dapat pala yung taas lang.
No, may space ate. Hindi makukubaran din yan.
Wala, ka-dark naman ang akin.
Di bali na. Wala na akong ano.
Ang lawak ng langit ko ah.
So if you find some powders left, you can use the brush to brush it away.
Ano daw?
Brushing yung
Ano?
maubo tayo din.
Kaya lang, hindi ako nagputi.
Kaya nga, paparamdam lang. Alam ko kasi lalakad-lakad lang tayo.
Oo, ganun.
When the sky is done,
Okay.
do you remember you've still got the piece of sky left?
Yeah.
Iya.
So we will cover it back.
Okay. Where's my sky?
So please